guys, it's Jose's Life, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Anker PowerCore 156.
I will unbox it, but before that, I'm gonna tell you what the package has. It has the Anker PowerCore 15600 and a USB cable. It can charge 6 phones on one charging. It charges relatively quickly. And here's a little sneak peek of what they got inside. Now we're gonna unbox it. Oh, where's the unbox? We're gonna open it from the bottom. Now we're gonna open up this case. This pack is pretty sturdy. And it comes with this battery. This battery's pretty heavy, which means it's got a lot of power. Now we're gonna open it, and now we got this thing that kind of looks like a TV remote. Or something like that. And this cable, we got this pretty good cable. How am I supposed to get this thing out of here? Oh, there, I got out. And now we also got this nice little charging case for it. And now we're gonna see how well it charges my old phone, just to test the fast charging capability. Now I'm gonna plug the battery into my phone, see how fast it charges. Or not, because this thing is a bit slow charging phones. It's still 76%. Watching, please like and subscribe. Until next video, bye.